Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the iZEEKER dashcam 4K with 2160p and 1080p possibility. It's a dash camera for our cars. WDR Night Vision car camera with emergency recording, parking monitoring because of the G sensor, with a 32GB MicroSD card included. The 4K Ultra HD resolution and 3 inches innovative IPS display. It is equipped with WDR advanced sensor and an aperture of 1.8 large aperture itself. The ID400 dashcam will present the bright and clear video quality, restoring the scene during the day and nighttime driving. The 3-inch IPS advanced screen allows us to operate and control the dashcam easier, as well as to monitor and replay moments anytime and anywhere, because we have auto recording and a loop recording options. We should note that the included microSD card has been inserted into the dashcam's card slot immediately. The dashcam will automatically start and stop recording when the car is switched on and off. The loop recording function automatically overrides past unlocked videos to free up more space for new videos too. Or you attach a larger microSD card, and automatic and manual emergency recording is possible. With the built-in G sensor, this dashcam can automatically detect sudden vibrations or shocks and save it as evidence. We press the lock button to manually lock the current video, to even if there is no impact, but we see something interesting or important on the road, we can lock it in the footage. And we have 2 parking modes, which are supported. When the parking monitor function is turned on, even when the vehicle is powered off, this car camera will provide up to 10 times, 30 seconds each time, of video recording after sensing vibrations, providing effective protection for unmanned vehicles. This function requires a wired kit, which is not included, but they offer this based on customer needs. To enable this feature, we provide our order number to the accessory department, and then we can connect it to our power supply. Or you can use a USB power supply like a power bank or something else. And it's really simple installation and easy operation, as you can see, because this 4K camera is fully equipped to save our worries. It comes with all we need to recording. Just receive it and use it. With the exclusive R&D customized key menu navigation for button design with icons on the side of the screen during setup, telling which button does what, easy to set up and convenient video viewing experience. This dashcam provides 3 convenient and quick video viewing methods. Immediate playback direction on the dashcam via the playback function, or viewing by inserting the SD card into our computer using a card reader. Or we connect the dashcam to our computer with the included USB-C cable for video file management and viewing too. The device and diverse range of viewing options ensures the best possible video viewing experience for us. And you can see iZEEKER brings a young team with an innovative spirit. They listen patiently to the customers with a humble heart to design sophisticated, unique, attractive and ideal dashcams. They build the product from scratch using common materials and pores, so they are easy to use and easily integrated with our existing technology. They are committed to providing consumers with premium products of consistent and reliable quality. We have 4K vision, we safety companion, the ID400. 4K is really cool because this brings a nice solution for viewing, of course, in 30 frames. But if you switch to 1080p, I think it's better because this is a smoother recording. But you can choose what you like. Better recording, smoother recording, or of course you get the big bunch of possibilities with 4K. This is the experience 4K clarity. The advanced sensor, powerful processor and aperture of 1.8 combine to deliver unreverted details and exception to low light performance, of course. And seamless loop recording, that means when the SD card is full, the dashcam automatically deletes the past unlocked videos one by one to free up the space for new videos. Locked videos, which may be needed as evidence, will not be deleted automatically. And the big thing here is the G-sensor collision detection. Reacting instantly to collision, sudden braking or unexpected impacts. The G-sensor initiates automatic emergency recordings, where available footage is securely logged and saved, ensuring that important moments are captured even when we can't react in time. And parking surveillance. The 4K dashcam keeps an eye on our vehicle day and night. With its built-in battery, it's ready for parking surveillance. And with the hardware kit, it watches over our car 24/7. Peace of mind anytime. We have smart UI, Type-C secure and swift connection, we stay focused on the screen, and we have a complete accessory kit. And the freedom to mount rotation. And MicroSD card. So, you see, everything is included to start a new journey with a dashcam inside your car. This is possible and really cool with your iZEEKER dashcam ID400 with 4K 2160p and 1080p solution in 30 frames and 60 frames. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.
Bundesliga hat Borussia Dortmund vorerst die Tabellenführung übernommen. Der BVB gewann gegen Heidenheim mit 4:2. Aus der Sportredaktion Ina Kast. Das war ein Spektakel. Dortmund spielte 3 Tore sehenswert heraus. Adeyemi traf doppelt. Der 4. BVB-Treffer fiel per Handelfmeter in der Nachspielzeit. Heidenheim kam zweimal zurück in die Partie. Erst durch ein Kopfballtor von Pieringer, dann per Foul-Elfmeter. In der 2. Bundesliga ist Karlsruhe Tabellenführer.